Hey, what's up? What's up, guys? Today I'm going to be cutting a latch for my 4runner so I can get easier access to my fuel pump. I'll show y'all where I'm going to cut it. Alright, I'm going to cut it right here. That's where I got it all lined up to cut it from. Since I got a 2-inch body lift and a 3-inch suspension. So with the 2-inch body lift, I get enough clearance to cut in there. Cutting it. Just need to pull it out now. All right, got that out. Look at that. Now I can have more access, better access to my fuel pump. Alright, now I just have to take out that plug so I can take this whole piece off and start making a latch and something I can open and everything like that. Right then.
So now
done with cutting the latch, making the closers and everything. I just need to find something to sew these up so it doesn't leak any dust in here or anything. Well, that's it for now. Put these back. There it go. There it goes. Close that. Close that. Alright. Oh, it's time to clean up. Well, that's the end of the video. Got that latch done. Now I just need to order my fuel pump because I haven't ordered it yet. So still waiting to get some money so I can order that up. Probably gonna lower this some more, lower the Q some more, camber a little bit more. Well, if y'all like that video, hit the like button and subscribe. Peace.